Ask anything when you are recording, maybe.
So Shakur, now we are in the garden, in the new slum garden, let's say.
Yes, this is a new slum garden. I remember you saw the first one. It isn't good, it is contaminated. And this is the new one. As you can see, it is more big than the other one. And we are safe here. There is no water that can destroy our crops. And as you can see, we have corn garden, we have wall gardening, we have staircase garden, we have vertical, we're also planting on jeans, we have a TV garden, we have a tower garden, that is a TV garden, this one.
This one?
On the tank.
Ah, yeah.
Here on the tank, these are old TVs. As you can see,
That
these
one,
one, yeah. These one are the old TVs, we recycle them. As you can see, these old TVs, we have several of them, but we are recycling them to make sure that we are using what we have. We are recycling things to make sure that we are producing producing healthy and vegetable productions. And even the glass ones, we use them to do drip irrigation because water is also a challenge for us. So whatever we are using is to make sure that we are saving water. Like this one, you can see this one. We don't need to water this every day, so the water itself drips slowly by slowly, and that saves time and saves also water. You can come here and see what else we are doing. We're also doing capillary irrigation. I showed you, Manuela, remember? So this is a big tower garden. This is a tower garden that we prepared it with the children. Yes, and this is the capillary irrigation, where we want these onions to water themselves. So we just need to recycle some clothes. With this pipe, we put water here, and we call it capillary irrigation. So all these they water themselves. You don't need to water them each and every day, and that's one way of saving water.
Where did you get all this knowledge from?
From internet. From internet.
Yeah.
Yes, and together with my friend doctor, we sit down and reason. So we see how can we make our garden more effective. Since water is very scarce and we can't get water easily.
So what has MMH now contributed to this garden?
MMH has really contributed a lot in this garden, because I remember when you visited us on the first place, we were not in this place. And you supported us. We got this land, we got that tank, and the pipe also. You supported us with that, and the information that we're also getting from your blogs, from your website, it's really contributing a lot to my growth, the community growth, and more so because I believe children are the best change agents. So we do train here children and the teens to make sure that they are able to grow their own food in their own small spaces using what they have. Yes, as you can see, these jeans, you can't imagine someone can plant on a jean. A thrown jean can produce you a green, healthy food. You see? So you use what you have to get what you don't have.
It's great.
Even